Top 5 Ways to Grow Your Instagram and Make Money. Welcome to my channel. Growing your Instagram and monetizing it involves a combination of strategies for increasing your follower count, boosting engagement, and leveraging opportunities for revenue. Here are the top 5 ways to grow your Instagram and make money. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 5. Consistent posting and content strategy. Consistent posting and a well-thought-out content strategy are the cornerstones of a successful Instagram growth and monetization plan. Posting regularly keeps your audience engaged and informed about when to expect new content. It's essential to maintain a consistent posting schedule that aligns with your target audience's activity times, which you can identify using Instagram Insights. Your content strategy should focus on delivering value and relevance to your followers. This involves creating high-quality and engaging content that resonates with your niche or brand. High-resolution images, captivating captions, and visually appealing graphics or videos are crucial elements of your content. Consider developing a visual theme or style that sets your account apart and is consistent with your brand identity. Incorporate storytelling into your captions to connect with your audience on a personal level, and encourage interaction by asking questions or prompting discussions. Leveraging Instagram features like Stories, Reels, and IGTV can diversify your content and keep your audience engaged. By consistently delivering content that meets the expectations of your followers and aligns with your brand, you can foster loyalty, attract new followers, and create opportunities for monetization, such as brand collaborations, affiliate marketing, and product promotions. Number 4. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is a fundamental strategy for growing your Instagram presence and subsequently making money on the platform. This approach involves active interaction with your followers through comments, direct messages, and engagement with their content. By responding to comments and messages promptly, you create a sense of community and build trust with your audience. Moreover, engaging with your audience goes beyond mere acknowledgement. It means fostering a genuine connection by showing appreciation for their support, asking for their opinions, and addressing their questions or concerns. Encourage them to share their thoughts and experiences related to your content. This not only boosts engagement, but also provides valuable insights for tailoring your content to your audience's preferences. Remember that authenticity is key in engagement. Be yourself, and let your unique personality shine through in your interactions. Building a loyal and engaged audience is the foundation for monetization opportunities, such as sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling products or services. Your audience's trust and enthusiasm can translate into income-generating actions, making engagement a vital component of your Instagram strategy. Building a personal connection with your audience is essential for converting followers into loyal supporters. By acknowledging their comments, responding to their messages, and engaging with their posts, you demonstrate that you value their presence and contributions. This, in turn, encourages increased interaction with your content. Encouraging user-generated content is another powerful way to engage your audience. You can run contests or challenges that prompt your followers to create content related to your brand or niche. Number 3. Use hashtags and captions effectively. Using hashtags and captions effectively is crucial for growing your Instagram following and boosting engagement. Hashtags are like signposts that guide users to your content. Use a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags that relate to your posts. This widens your reach and attracts users interested in your content. Instagram allows up to 30 hashtags per post, but it's essential to ensure they're relevant and not overly generic. Captions provide context, share stories, or engage your audience. Craft captions that resonate with your content and your followers. Share personal experiences, ask questions, or use humor, as this encourages interaction. Consider incorporating a call to action (CTA) in your captions, urging users to like, comment, or share your content. Remember that authenticity is key. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions on your posts. This not only fosters a sense of community, but also improves your post's visibility through Instagram's algorithm. By using hashtags and captions effectively, you can enhance the discoverability of your content and connect with a more extensive and engaged audience, which in turn can create opportunities for monetization. Number 2. Collaborate with influencers and brands. Collaborating with influencers and brands on Instagram is a powerful strategy to grow your account and make money. Influencer partnerships involve working with individuals who have a substantial following in your niche. These collaborations can take various forms, such as shootouts, takeovers, or joint giveaways. By teaming up with influencers, you gain exposure to their followers, which can significantly boost your own following and engagement. Brand collaborations are another avenue for monetization. Companies pay Instagram users to create sponsored content that promotes their products or services. This can be highly profitable, with earnings based on factors such as your follower count, engagement rate, and niche relevance. Successful partnerships require authenticity and alignment with your brand, ensuring that your audience trusts and values the content you create in collaboration with brands. In summary, collaborating with influencers and brands can provide substantial income opportunities on Instagram while expanding your reach. However, it's vital to maintain transparency and authenticity in your collaborations to retain the trust of your followers. As your following and reputation grow, subdue the possibilities for monetizing your Instagram account. Number 1. Utilize Instagram shopping. Utilizing Instagram shopping is a powerful method for e-commerce businesses and brands looking to make money on the platform. This feature allows you to tag and sell your products directly in your Instagram posts and stories. When users click on these product tags, they are taken to a dedicated page that includes product details and a link to purchase. Instagram shopping simplifies the purchase process and streamlines the customer's journey from discovery to conversion. To get started, businesses need to meet Instagram's eligibility criteria, which include being located in a supported market and adhering to the platform's commerce policies. You'll also need to convert your Instagram account into a business or creator account. After meeting these requirements, you can set up your Instagram shop, where you can create product listings, organize your catalog, and tag products in your posts. This feature not only enhances the shopping experience for your followers, but also expands your revenue streams. Whether you sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Instagram shopping allows you to tap into the vast and engaged Instagram user base and convert them into paying customers with ease. Instagram shopping also provides businesses with valuable insights and analytics, allowing you to track the performance of your shoppable posts. You can measure the reach, engagement, and conversion rates of your products, helping you refine your marketing and sales strategies. Furthermore, you can utilize features like shopping tags in Instagram stories, which offers a more interactive and real-time shopping experience. By leveraging Instagram shopping, you're not only expanding your sales potential, but also enhancing your brand's credibility. When users see that you offer a seamless shopping experience within the platform they love, it can boost their trust and confidence in your products or services. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.